Hello folks, Kushneet here. So this is my project that I built, Workbench RBAC, role-based access control. That's it. So let me run the server. So here it is. Here it should load. So this is the dashboard front-end side which we created using Tailwind CSS, and the framework I used is, obviously you can see here, it's Next.js, and I did the APIs inside it itself. So here are the roles configurations. So this is the permission matrix that I redesigned through your given this resource. So where the things are, for example, members didn't have the option to create or edit, so I leave it blank. And this one is an owner role, so this can't be edited. It's a system role, similar with members and viewers. Here you can see a contractor, so this is another role. Here you can basically toggle the permissions and save changes. And here's the user part. I hard coded 4 users. So we see Bob, he has assigned roles as member and contractor. If we wanted to assign him as a project lead, it should assign and move up there. But if we wanted to remove it, it will show a pop-up, a warning. If you go OK, it will do that. If you deactivate, it will be basically going to pending. And here's the permission part. So Alice Chan, these are all the, and the assigned roles are shown here. Settings and helps are nothing to be shown. So why not we go into API testing? So here's the get request to get all the roles. So it will just show the data which was coded in the backend. All the roles are here, and to try to get a single role, this is the owner role. So let's go into creating a new role. QA engineer can view project and manage for testing. Project.view. Here if we send this success and we come onto our home page, reload it, it will show the QA engineer. That's it. And there's the update role. If we, at first we had 3 roles, 3 permissions for QA engineer, right? Now we will add one more and send this here. So it should update. It's showing 4 permissions. So it's all connected and in real time. So why not we go further and delete the owner, which is a system role. It will just basically throw an error. But if a non-system role, like at first we created a QA engineer, so it will basically run successfully and should delete here in our dashboard front end. Here it is. So we just collapse this and go into users and retrieve all users. So these are the hard-coded users that I mentioned. These are all the basically data that would be associated with them if I would connect the database early further. These are the schemas, and if we wanted to get a single user, this is Alice, and for example here is Priya, and if we check in users, so Priya has only one assigned role, which is a viewer, but here we are assigning her a role ID as a member as well. So if we send this, so now Priya has viewer and member, and it should also update in our front end. So Priya Patel, member and viewer. Okay, so that's nice. Now if we go ahead and delete a role from our user, so Priya role member, so it should reverse our query, and if we refresh here, it's only viewer for Priya. Okay, so there's that, and all are working. This is just some GET requests that I was testing earlier for Bob. Bob has all these permissions. It's pretty basic. Okay, so if we go now here on the front end side and check Sam Wilson, so Sam Wilson is a project lead and all things are here. But if we go assign Sam Wilson another role, which is a contractor role, okay, so he is active, and going to permission and Sam Wilson. So here you can see these are all the union of both the assigned roles. So the permission here is not degraded, it's only added with a union. So when a user has multiple roles, the system merges all their permission together and removes duplicate. That's it. And I explained much better here in architecture.md. So I would be pushing it in a few minutes. So looking forward to your response, the internet folks. Thank you. This is Kushneet.